Hello, today I'm going to talk about the powerful concept of extensions. But before we begin, let's ask ourselves what is an extension? Conceptually, an extension is a package to further ScienceSuit capabilities. Let's look at the psychrometric page here. The psychrometric page itself is an extension and comprised of different apps here. For example, the calculator app, or the applications app, one of the applications app here belongs to the psychrometry extension. And when we switch the page to apps, it has two panels here, statistics and process engineering. Statistics belongs to the statistics extension, and process engineering belongs to the process engineering extension, and both are under the apps page. And let's go to workbook page. And here the data tools itself belongs to the workbook extension. And not only that, we can make a selection and right click and a context menu is shown. The create variable and export here are part of the workbook extension. And if you right click on the tab, the import here is part of the workbook extension. So there are many extensions and this can easily become overwhelming. So how do we manage extensions? It's easy. Here the extension manager. If you click the extension manager button, it will run the extension manager, and here we see the list of extensions. If we click one of them, it will give us information about the extension. Process engineering tools, psychrometry. Go to the workbook tools that, and here if we right click, we can see where it's installed. It's under ScienceSuit extensions folder and under workbook, and we can disable the extension. Let's disable the extension and see the effect. Once we disable, the color turns to red. So what does it mean to disable? Here we come back, we make a selection, and oops, there is no create variable or export. Or we come to workbook, it's still here, but it's not gonna work. And enable it. Let's go back and see everything is back. Let's go back and look at the psychrometry. Let's disable psychrometry. Come back, go to the psychrometry page. Psychrometry page is still there, but if you click on the calculator here, it's not gonna work. So let's close ScienceSuit and let's run it back. Here we see the psychrometry page is gone because it's disabled. So sometimes disabling requires ScienceSuit to be restarted. Let's go to Extension Manager, and the only option we have is to enable it. Let's enable it. And it's still not there, so we have to restart ScienceSuit. And the page is back. So we can actually disable, enable properties or add new properties. Let's run Extension Manager again. And here we have the install extension. This can by itself be a video because there are little bit tricks here. Thanks for watching the video.